So guys, everyone using for Twitter. Guys, everyone careful to watch this video. Entire video, this will be useful for Twitter marketing purpose, and we can getting for website trafficking purpose. The major thing is called website traffic and YouTube subscribers and for view purpose. So you can start one channel. People how to know your channel. So I'm into Digital Rakesh. What I'm doing, I give the Digital Rakesh. So complete videos from marketing methods and everything I can give by here. So you're beginner to the market. So how we can make money from that? So what is the benefit of everything? So that all will be we can give to the into the particular option. So here now first of all in this YouTube channel the major functionalities we can check it out. We can promoting everything will be here. That is called image and video, GIF images and polls, and we can go to the schedule post also. So everything will be given by any particular Twitter option. Okay, it is a particular. We can each multiple. We can posting for multiple tweet also. So that all will be possible by the in this. So here Twitter one more feature is called Twitter composers. What is meant by composers? We can promote your YouTube channel with different images. Promote YouTube channel not for particular video. I'm saying that we can promote entire YouTube channel different images without any using tools. No need using any kind of tools. That mean by Twitter market visible by the is the large screen. You can promote your YouTube channel along with the video also. How it is possible? Simple. Click for more option. The option name is called Twitter ads. Who will be create the Twitter ads? The option will be eligible for Twitter composers. Suppose you're not creating for any Twitter ads, they can't possibly enable by Twitter composers. Here, if anybody need to how we can understand Twitter ads, I am uploading here. There is a 6 days ago. We can go to the particular video. So as Twitter is generating any traffic is a possible is an option that all depend on your content. So everyone using Twitter nowadays is not a big members are. So what are the content using weekly wise? Suppose today will be coming to the Saturday. Okay. Now click. First we can using hashtag Saturday. What are the morning? Today not a morning. I'm record the video will be night. Saturday vibes. Third motivation. Sunday Saturday kitchen and social. Using for Saturday social. Why you can using for Saturday social option. So keep it on the side. Saturday social. First of all, open the Twitter ads. In this, when you open the Twitter ads, they're showing for some payment structure. Close it that option. If you are first time creating ad, first create the ad first of all. There's nothing worry about that. If you no need to pay amount to continue the ad option. Here, the option name is called here. This is a Twitter composer. Another name is called Twitter cards here. So in the Twitter cards, there is a new update is coming to market. What the update is called? New typely posting. There is a Twitter composer here. There will be here in the Twitter ad purpose. One stop shop, real time previews, tweet duplications. These all will be here into the particular options. Here the when using for campaigns option. But in this will be posting as a free of cost. So that is called I'm remove the promoted only. So in this, we can promote your particular video or images to entire YouTube channel will be advertised. So what are the video? So in this one, the time limit is there in the Twitter. The time limit is called 2 minutes 20 seconds. That video will upload and you can promote your YouTube channel. Entire people will be know that. That is the mean for to people know about your YouTube channel, getting for subscribers. What are the content you can publish? People know about your channel. First of all, I'll show the method. Go to cards, select card library. Here, one more feature is called we can schedule post also. In this, create a card. Which one? Website card, video website card. These two will be app purpose for the showing to your app install mobile users by image by video. So you can advertise your mobile app install by using image and video app card also. In this one, video website card. First upload the video. Browse with nothing but if you already am upload, go for browse. If you go to the media library, so where you can find the media library? A lot of people asking one question, sir, I am unable to upload the media library. Suppose you are not activate your Twitter ads, how you can enable by media library? There's a major important part. Here you can upload the media will be here. So that is will be media, we can select it. So where you can videos are there, go for the video, and the video how much seconds? 2 minutes 20 seconds. So you can select it 1 minute. The video compulsory posting will be mandatory field. So video will be posting will be complete. You have to wait for 100% processing the video option here. Video done. Card library. Once again refresh it. Upload the video here. But I am looking for browser video. Video is a ready option. So here everything download here in this. You can see here. Just close it. In this is the image. So I can show everything. So here video browse. Here the video is not acceptable. So mean that there is a not accepting for this format. So here you can check it out. The video is accepted. After that, so any YouTube link we can copy here. So small change will be in this video option in the Twitter cards. After your ID will be question mark confirmation underscore one is important. If you sharing also will be compulsory note in point question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal 1. So there is a compulsory important. What is the benefit in this? I'll show you. If you might go to channel, just you can click here. They're showing for notification any user first time open your channel. What is the notification? Subscribe our channel. Which one? Subscribe our channel. That is the purpose I'm using for after here. Suppose I have the username is there. Suppose you're getting for some ID. So channels. After ID, you can using for question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. That will be using on the particular option. The people will be find out easily that option. After that, create. After that, tweet. Tweet time, they're showing one option is there. That option will be promoted only. I'm not doing any promotion. Just click. After that, this tweet. Yeah, one more option is there. That is called schedule also. Schedule will be, we can particular schedule we can use in this particular option. Now coming to a tweet, you come into my profile. People will be watch my video and click by YouTube link. They go to our YouTube channel option also. So guys, anyone you can advertise option will be there. There's a Twitter compose is more important. People know about your channel by you can using this video also. That is a major important key points. Anyone make the video, that is not a big task. But understanding video is more important. The people click your channel. Finally, they go to your channel. If you people like your channel, they click for subscribe. So this is a method we have to follow that Twitter composer to getting for YouTube subscribers. So here one more question is there. Sir, same will method we can using for website link also. Always using for website link. Same option, go to library. So here I'm using for image option. So here, first of all, close all thing. Go to Twitter cards, card library. Allow card library is enabled. First of all, enable is there. We can go to image card library, select image. So previous I'm showing video. Now I'm showing for which one? For image purpose. Nothing to worry as. Only thing is called some options are there. The option you have to follow that one and clear the option and people get more views and subscribers on your website and for particular YouTube channels. The major important key point is called first of all understanding for optimization. That is the important key point. Now it is. You can add it. So card name, no need to add the option. Here it is. We can use a blog URL. I can promote the entire blogs, not for one or two. Create. So I'm exceeded by 70 characters. So that is called. So limited options are more important. Tweet. Remove the promoted only. Click for tweet option. So you can check it out in your profile. Where it is profile. Refresh. So first of all, you can focus by Twitter ads. You can watch my video and do it. Where the option will be title will be how to increase the Twitter followers 2021, how to get the followers. Here will be option. When will we click this image, they go to my website, not for the YouTube channel. But my content will be shown to subscriber channel to watch the more videos. So clear. I will generate the traffic from my website, my YouTube channel also. Both will be flexible on the Twitter composer option. What are the benefit? People to watch your videos and click the YouTube link. People watch your images, click the your website link. One website link we can promoting for multiple images. And major key point is called without any using tool, we can sharing the large image on the Twitter by share the videos on the particular option. And one more option, I can show to your channel, complete channel. I show you on this. If you promote particular video, just upload image, add the particular video link and publish it and share it. Then nothing. In a YouTube link, channel link place, you can add the YouTube video link also. That is a very useful on the particular benefit. So use it, increase your YouTube subscribers and your website traffic. If anybody doubt about the Twitter composers on the media player, ask me. Definitely will be support on your particular Twitter option. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If video will be like, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.